everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to export your artwork in Procreate. Okay, so I've already done this piece here and now I need to export it. So all I have to do is go to settings right here with this gear icon, then click share. Now you're going to have a couple different options. So in order to export this, we're going to have to choose a file type. So we have a couple different ways that we can do this. So we can either export this as a Procreate file, which can only be opened and read in Procreate. We can export it as a PSD, which is for Photoshop. We can export it as a PDF, which is great for printing. We can export it as a JPEG, which is great for the web and for smaller files. We can export it as a PNG, which is my personal fave, because it is a great raster file for the web, or a TIFF, which is almost like a better quality JPEG. So I highly recommend, if your piece is only going on the internet, to save it as a PNG. I also recommend, if your piece is going straight to the printer, save it as a PDF. Those are my two go-tos. Everything else I don't really use because it's not something that I need, but I can understand why you would need the Photoshop one. But since I work primarily in Illustrator and Procreate, I don't need that one at the moment. Okay, so I'm gonna export it as a PNG, so I'm gonna hit it here. So you're gonna get a few different options. So my go-to option is to airdrop it, because I like to airdrop it to my computer, make changes or edits in Illustrator if I need to. But if this is my final design and I don't need to make any edits to it, I can just save the image into my camera roll, or I save it onto my Google Drive or my Dropbox. Sometimes I'll even email it to myself with my Gmail right over there, but it's honestly up to you as to what you want to do. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.